Welcome to the new version of ProMiles Online. This video tutorial will cover the main points of features that have been added to this version of the truck routing section. More detailed videos on specific features will be available on the ProMiles website. After logging into ProMiles Online, you will see a new landing screen. This screen allows users to run a quick trip with only limited details for results, view current price averages for the U.S., Canada, and each state or province. We will also post messages to the left here as further changes are made. One of the many new features is location lookup automation. As you start typing in a location, whether a zip code or a city name, you will get a pick list of locations matching what you have entered so far. As with the old version, cities with multiple zip codes will have a center of city location designated by pound signs. Just click Run Trip to see the results for distance and estimated fuel cost. To run routes with more detailed options, click the truck routing link at the top left of the page. While a bit more familiar to longtime users of ProMiles, there are some great additions I will point out to you as we go along. First, there is now an address column so that, if desired, you can route address to address across the U.S. and Canada. If desired, enter an address in the field provided. Then enter a zip code or city name in the appropriate field. You will notice that the map will zoom in and a point will be placed as each location is entered. Alternately, you will see a new POI link. This can be used to enter a location from your custom points of interest that can be set up under the My Data section. We'll cover setting these up in more detail in another video. For this video, I'll choose the Terminals group and select the Live Oak Warehouse as a pickup point. Once again, addresses are not necessary to calculate distance, so for a destination, I will use the zip code 34950 for Fort Pierce, Florida. Then let's go ahead and add a loaded rate per mile of $1.91 for the section from Orange to Fort Pierce. When you click the Run Trip button, the system will return an overview map and several fields of calculated data. The trip distance, estimated driving time, estimated fuel cost for the trip, the average retail cost per gallon along this route, any toll charges, the trip charges based on the settings we made earlier, and the estimated fuel and mile tax liability for this trip. At this point, you can also choose to save the trip, email or print specific sections of the trip results, or send the trip information, including state mileages, to the fuel tax reporting section. For more detailed information on the trip, choose the Full Results link. Here you will find an overview of the settings for your trip, turn-by-turn driving directions, fuel optimization results, a tax summary including the miles driven in each jurisdiction, a list of the truck stops along your route, an estimated trip itinerary, and a trip cost section. This covers most of the basic functionality of the new features and layout found in the truck routing section of ProMiles Online. Overviews of changes to other areas such as fuel tax online, as well as more topic-specific tutorial videos, can be found on the ProMiles website. Thanks for watching.